Um, my previous advice was to ignore news 24/7. Now, I'm very careful to pay attention to news 24/7. There's two or three newspapers that I read every day and so on. So I will sound knowledgeable because that's the business I'm in. But if the investor is a dentist, he should sound knowledgeable in dentistry. He doesn't have to watch the news 24, he doesn't have to watch the market news 24/7. You should decide what your balance should be between stocks and bonds, and you should, if you're going to rebalance infrequently, only because you've made major moves. You don't want to be rebalancing all the time. That's not the way the professionals do it. Get this proper balance between stocks and bonds that you're willing to stick with in the long run, and stay focused on dentistry. Markets are not completely efficient. Let me give you a couple of examples. I once, in the late 1960s, was in the business of convertible arbitrage. I would buy a convertible bond is one which converts into a certain number of shares of stock at a fixed price. So the bond has certain value just as a bond, and it has a potential value that depends on the stock price. And there are times when the stock and bond get out of relationship, and an arbitrageur can go in and buy the bond and short the stock, hold it until the relationship returns, and we were making money. We were doing well. That was in 69, 70, 71, 72. There are convertible arbitrages still around, but the margins have squeezed because there are too many people doing convertible arbitrage, and they have to leverage to get any return. So what's happened was in 69, 70, 71, and 72, the convertible bonds and their underlying stocks had slack in it that was an inefficiency that we could exploit, but too many people are exploiting it now. So no, the market is not completely efficient, but don't think that means you can easily make a fortune by listening to the television set.